Sporty 2008 Toyota Tundra Limited 4-wheel drive will take care of all your hauling needs. Loaded with great-looking sand beige leather interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat, memory seats, and great-looking wheels. Perfect for all your off-road fun. Mainly highway mileage. 100% AutoCheck guaranteed. Very clean interior. And after-market warranty is available for purchase on this vehicle. All electronic components in working condition. All interior components are in good working order. From carpooling the neighborhood kids, to navigating the most rugged terrain imaginable, the 2008 Tundra 4-wheel drive truck can do it all. View all our inventory: automatic transmission, www.bobutterford.com or www.bobutterkia. Call or email Terry Irby Internet.